The preliminary hearing in the Charlie Kirk murder case wrapping up this week, but despite what prosecutors say is overwhelming evidence against Tyler Robinson, the judge could wait until potentially September 1st to decide if the case goes to trial. The Kirk family releasing a statement saying, quote, "As difficult as these last few days have been, it brings our family comfort to know that the world has witnessed the overwhelming evidence of what occurred to Charlie that day." With us now, Dr. Frank Turek, Charlie Kirk's mentor, who was in the car with Charlie during his final moments. Good morning, Frank. So let's talk about, we all, the country watched. This was quite an avalanche of evidence. Your thoughts?
Yeah, absolutely, Griff. Not only do we have video evidence, we have confessions from Tyler Robinson in 3 different ways. He confessed over text. He confessed in a written confession letter that he left for his roommate/lover. And he also confessed verbally to Lance Twiggs. So it's just an avalanche of evidence, Griff. And normally, as you know, people will plead within 30 days of being arrested. We're at 10 months yesterday, Griff, and we don't even have a plea. We don't even have a court date. What we have is a date for when the judge is going to say we have probable cause. Griff, we had probable cause in the first 10 minutes of this hearing, it seems. Monday, there was enough time to go to a trial. Or enough evidence to go to a trial. So I know the judge is being cautious because he doesn't want to be overturned on appeal due to some procedural error. But it really seems he's kind of going overboard with the caution here.
It has been shocking, Frank, to the whole country that this trial may not even begin until the 1-year anniversary and beyond of this tragedy. The victim's family statement in support of a speedy disposition for getting this moving says this: the defendant is entitled to a fair trial and he must receive one. He is not, however, entitled to cause undue delay in the criminal justice process. The victim's family is independently entitled to a speedy resolution. It brings me, Frank, to just, I can't begin to imagine how difficult this is on the Kirk family.
Yeah, I was out there in Utah with the family and with the TPUSA team. I was not allowed into the courtroom because no eyewitness, according to the judge, was allowed into the courtroom. But I can tell you it is very difficult for Erica, for Mr. and Mrs. Kirk, and also for the entire team who was out there to support Erica and Mr. and Mrs. Kirk. It is extremely difficult to do this. It has to be done, quite obviously. Everyone deserves a fair trial, innocent until proven guilty. We don't believe in smearing people or coming up with conspiracy theories that have no basis in evidence. Notice how the defense, by the way, didn't try and advance any of the conspiracy theories out there because there really is no evidence for them. And so evidence is necessary for justice. I just think that it needs to proceed a little bit quicker because, as you may know, Griff, there are some high-power attorneys running up the bill there for the defense that they're using taxpayer dollars for a defense that is really grasping at straws right now. There's so much evidence against Tyler Robinson that we ought to go to trial very quickly. And I'm afraid it's going to be probably next summer before the trial starts.
Well, hopefully sooner than that as the country watches on. Dr. Frank Turek, thank you for your insight. We're going to continue to follow this at every turn. Thanks, Frank.
Thank you.
Be sure to like and subscribe for all the Fox News latest on YouTube and catch full shows streaming now on Fox One.